How to go live on Tweets on PC. First thing first, you have to open any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for tweets. Head over to the very first site. It will open up the official site of tweets. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile at the top right corner, and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, at the very top, you have to move into Channel and Videos. And then at the left hand side of the screen, you'll get to see Stream. Click on it. It will open up this page. Over here you can see Primary Stream Key. All you want to do is copy this key. After that, you have to head over to Stream Manager. Once you are in here and set up all those settings, you simply have to open OBS. After that, you have to click on Start Streaming. Once you click on it, your live will be started successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can go live on Tweets on PC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.